This is the Chapter 2 review. We're going to go through and do problems 12, 13, and 14. Again, the spreadsheet was sent to you in your email account. At the bottom of your spreadsheet is a tab that says numbers 12 through 14. So go ahead and make sure you're on this page. Now, what I've done already here is I've typed in the price and the quantity from this survey that these customers did. So please pause the video right now and take a minute to do that. You can see that this is the price and this is the quantity demanded that this company estimated for each of those prices. After you get these typed in, you're going to select them and do a scatter plot. Insert a scatter plot chart. And you can see that, again, with your demand curve is going to be negative. I'm going to make the spreadsheet a little bit bigger so it's easier for you to see here. Now we need to display the equation on our chart. So we're going to add a chart element, trend line, more trend line options. And if we scroll down over on this side here, we can see display equation and display R squared. Now that shows up on our chart. So write the R squared value. Here is R squared. So it's 96%. Actually, let's round that up to 97%. If you recall from section 2, the correlation coefficient, anything above 70% was a strong correlation. That means these numbers are predictable. We can rely on these numbers fairly confidently because as the price goes up, the quantity goes down, and that's the way that demand should operate. This becomes your demand equation down here, right? The only thing we need to do is just change the variables to make it work with the the actual application of our problem is. Get rid of that. So you're just going to simply type the equation. Instead of y, we're going to type a q, and that equals negative 30.74 P plus 19,330. And that becomes your demand equation that you're going to use later on in this problem. So please make sure that you have this graph done, that you displayed the equation. You understand that the correlation coefficient is strong because it's above 70% here. And then you've converted the linear equation here to terms that we can use later on in our problems with the price and the quantity.